Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to add an indicator on TradingView. So the first step is basically to open your TradingView chart. Once you have your chart opened up, right here by the top left you can see where it says indicators, so just click on that. Once you click on that, you'll be able to add your indicator by typing in the name of the indicator. So for example, let's say you want to add moving average. So you just click right here on technicals, and then you can see indicators. You just type in the name of the indicator. So let's say it's moving average. You can see okay, that's moving average, and so you have different variations and different types of moving averages. So just choose the one that you like, and I like this one, so I'll just click on that. And now that I've clicked on that, you can see the moving average has been added to the chart, and you can also edit this. So for example, if you want to edit the moving average, then just click right here on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be able to add the customize the moving average. So for example, if you click right here, you can see the line symbol. You can edit the thickness of the line. Okay, if you don't want to use a line, you can use something else. So for example, lines with breaks. Okay, so let's just leave it as lines, and you can edit the color also. So once you're done, just click on OK. You can also delete the indicator by clicking on this remove symbol. So once you click on that, you'd get rid of the indicator. You can also hide and unhide the indicator by clicking on this eye symbol. Okay, so that's basically how to hide and unhide the indicator, and that's all you need to know about how to add an indicator on TradingView. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see